Here she is again. There she goes. There she goes. Oh, whoa. Sorry about the grain. Here she comes. Oh, I forgot to tie my shoe.
Where are you supposed to be?
In here.
Okay. Why are you walking around with the iPad like your mom asked you to? Pretty soon, the next time I catch either one of you, you're bringing it to me, and then it's not going to be you. So somebody's in that car sitting down.
Get over. Hold on, I'm tying my shoe real quick. Okay.